people! Alam niyo ba na meron bagong e-commerce app na napakamura ng mga items? Lahat ng kailangan natin nandito na. Makatipid pa tayo dahil sa laki ng mga discounts at free shipping. Tulad na lang nito, yan, tsaka ito. Hindi lang yan! Pwede ka pang magkaroon ng up to 20% cashback na pwedeng i-withdraw sa preferred bank or e-wallet. Syempre, pretty girls don't gatekeep. The app is called Temu app. Just download the Shopback and Temu apps through the link on my bio or in my comments. Of course, need mag-sign up to have an account sa Shopback at Temu app. If nakalagin ka na, just search Temu on the search engine ng all stores sa Shopback and voila! You can now just add to cart, check out, and earn up to